Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how we put together our pool. So let's go ahead and dive in.
Well, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and check all your items. Make sure when you're opening these up, you don't use a knife. I'm using a pencil, so again, we don't cut any of the liners or anything else. You'll want to make sure that your area is prepped. I have a full video of how we prepped and leveled this area for our pool, and I'll put that video in the description. Then you also want to make sure you have a protective layer down first. I've seen people use tarps like this one, and I've also seen people use cardboard, which we use just a little bit on the edges. After we spread out our pool liner, we then placed all of our poles and other pieces around the pool just to make sure, again, that we have all the right parts. I then placed all of the leg caps on the ends of all the poles. I then began placing the horizontal poles in the pool liner. Here is a close-up of what this looks like. If this video has been helpful so far, please feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Next, you'll put your T-connectors in. These will connect the horizontal poles, and then you will put these pins in which hold the poles together. Next, you'll put your legs inside the strap, and then you will connect them to the T fittings. I think the kids are ready for this pool to be finished, offering to help wherever they can. We also put small pieces of wood under some of the legs where the sand was really soft. Just be careful it doesn't touch the liner. Next, you can place your skimmer onto the siding of your pool. Next, you'll screw in your water diverter. Next, you want to install your water return hose. You want to make sure these clamps on the ends are very tight. If not, I know from personal experience, they will leak. Next, you can put a little bit of water in the pool and begin smoothing out the wrinkles. Check out our pool leveling video and other pool videos here. I think the kids are ready to have some fun. Also, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.